start.
Hey guys, just want to give you a quick little demo on how easy milk paint is to use. So I have my powdered milk paint here. This is Miss Mustard Seed in kitchen scale. So I'm going to make a little bit more than I really need. I'm going to take a couple scoops of the kitchen scale powder. And then I'm gonna give this, or put in the exact same amount of water. So 2 scoops of water. Now when I'm doing it like this, I always put in a little bit more because from the container, it never quite fills up to the top of the measuring spoon. And then I'm just gonna take my whisk and start mixing it all up. So you just wanna give it a really good mix. There are natural pigments and clay and limestone in here, so you wanna break all that up and work it all in. And you want like almost like a cream consistency with this. See, this is pretty good here. Now normally when I'm using milk paint, what I do is I mix it up and let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and mix it again, just to give it more time for everything to really break down. But you can do it like this, okay? So here we go. Now I'm just going to take my natural bristle brush, dip it in here, and put it straight on this raw wood spoon. Milk paint works really, really, really amazing on raw wood, okay? It soaks right into the wood. Okay. So you can see how easy this is to apply. Now this is just going to need 1 coat. It's a beautiful color. I like it. It reminds me of like a retro blue color, a bluish green. See how easy that was? Now I'm just gonna let that dry, and as soon as it's dry, I'm gonna take our hemp oil, which is awesome on these. So I'll give it a light sand when I'm done, just directly apply the hemp oil to it and wipe it back, and then you're finished, and it's that easy. Thanks for watching.